My name's Amber Fox, and today I'm going to be discussing histology and the blood types. So first, before I get started, I'm going to just briefly discuss antigens and antibodies. Antigens are kind of like an alert system. They are proteins that are found on the red blood cells. They allow the body to recognize antigens that are foreign or not of self and trigger an immune response. Antibodies are antigen-specific proteins, also known as immunoglobulins, and those combine to antigens on plasma membranes to foreign substances such as viruses and bacteria. The different blood groups are, we have ABO group, and those designate the presence or absence of A and B antigens. They can also be AB with both antigens. So you have A and B and then AB. There's also O blood group, and O blood group has neither A or B antigens. As long as there's no exposure to incompatible blood, A blood, for example, has naturally formed anti-B antibodies, and B blood has naturally formed anti-A antibodies. Also, there's the RH system, which is produced by our immune system. RH is an erythrocyte antigen called RH, and one that's clinically important is called designated D. So if RHD is present, then it's RH positive, and if RHD is not present, then it's RH negative. The universal donor is O negative, and O type blood has no A or B antigens, and if they encounter anti-B or anti-A or anti-B antibodies in the blood plasma or of donated blood, no response or adverse reaction will occur. The universal recipient is AB positive, and AB positive blood or type has A and B antigens on the surface of the erythrocytes, and it does not produce, they do not produce anti-A or anti-B antibodies. I performed the blood typing experiment, but I don't have the card with the results. But my blood type is O blood, so I'm part of the O blood group. And what that means is that there's no antigens on my red blood cells. But I have anti-A and anti-B antibodies on my plasma. My RH was RHD positive, and so the protein that is found on my red blood cells was inherited. So that is my presentation. Thank you.